love she, love harmony, love destiny. I don't think you're ready for destiny. I don't think you're ready for destiny. I don't think you're ready for this. Love you, love me, come on, love destiny.
Hi y'all, and happy Charcuterie board eve. We got another hat on. White hat. I love a white hat. Y'all know that. It's a staple at this point. But we just left Dollar Tree because I have a charcuterie board night going on tomorrow. I've been prepping for it. If you've been watching my vlogs, you've seen me talk about it a few times. I'm really hyped. So let me show y'all a few of the things that I got today from the dollar store, because I've been talking about getting certain things and I've been trying to prep for it, but I haven't really bought anything since like the first vlog I put out. I haven't bought anything for it. So today I actually bought the items that I'm gonna put on my charcuterie board. And then I bought, because I was gonna get actual glasses, but then I thought about it, everybody may be just having some fun tomorrow and may drop a glass or two, so I got these. But I think that this may change my actual drink that I wanted to do. I wanted to do a pink espresso martini. If you are watching the vlog and you're coming tomorrow, shh, don't tell nobody. But yeah, I was going to do a pink espresso martini, but now I'm thinking I should maybe do another pink drink, because it's not a martini glass. And Party City has the martini glasses, and Amazon can overnight it and get it here by tomorrow. But I don't think it's going to be on time. And these were $1 for each pack. And I got two. So $2 and some change, because it wasn't just $1 and something. And then I saw these little craft things in the craft section. I was thinking about maybe putting some of my meat and cheese from my charcuterie on these. I got two of these just in case I mess one up. Oh, I was supposed to get toothpicks. I didn't get the toothpicks to go with it. Maybe I have to run back inside, but the dollar store was super duper packed. I was thinking about trying to go to another one just to see if they had the martini version of that. I also got these little puffs. I got 3 packs of those, so they were like $1 a piece or 50 cents. I have to double check. And this is to play that little snowball game where you scoop as many as you can, blindfold it into a bowl for a prize, because I've been got the little prizes for the party like a couple of weeks ago. And then I got a new one of these little things. It was $1 just to put drinks at the door. Like, as soon as they come in, they can grab one. And it'll just say, take one or welcome or something like that. But all of this was like $10 all together. And yeah, I'm about to head and try to see if we can find the martini glasses I was looking for. Hi, y'all. Your girl is back. So let me show you what we got in prep for the party for tomorrow, from today at least. I got a few more things for the function. So one was a case of water. I can't have the girlies over here thirsty. Showed y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. And then let me show y'all what my Instacart order consisted of, because it's everything that's going on the coochie board. I got rosemary, honeycomb, fig reserve, which is like fig jam. I love fig jam or fig butter from Trader Joe's. I didn't have enough time to go to Trader Joe's today. Well, I did earlier today, but it would have been too much back and forth. I pretty much want to stay like in my area, so I got stuff from Instacart and Publix. I love these nuts from Publix. These are their pecan pralines. My girl Alicia put me on these. Bust down, so good. So I got these. Wait, there's minced garlic in here. I don't recall ordering minced garlic, but it's in here. That's just how Instacart is sometimes. Let's see. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. I have table water crackers to go in there. I got bagel chips, which were a big hit last time I did a charcuterie board for my girls. So I got the Simply Naked ones. And then I went with the Boar's Head charcuterie trio. Instead of just getting a whole thing of meat, like 3 different packs of meat, I just went with the Boar's Head one. With the 3, it has I don't even want to say none of these. I know it got salami. It got 3 different meats in here. Okay? And they're going in. I'm gonna hurry up in the fridge. Put these in the fridge soon. I got some berries to put on there. I just got the public group because it has multiple. And that way we don't waste any berries in the process. I got honey goat cheese. This honey goat cheese is Publix brand. It's so good with fig jam. I'm telling you, I love the combo. And then I got cheddar because who doesn't like cheddar cheese? I was gonna get brie cheese, but I wasn't sure if anybody was gonna like feel that. You know, I don't know. We have so many boards that are supposed to come over tomorrow. I don't know what everybody's gonna like, but it's just gonna be nice. And I didn't want to ask because everybody seems to be hush hush about their boards. I only know what like 2 of them are making, so I'm excited to see. What else? I also got these Ghirardelli peppermint bark squares to go in there, just to add a little chocolate in there and a little holiday flavor. Whenever I do the salami and stuff, I'm gonna try to do one of those little cute little roses on there. I also went by the local liquor store to get my drink because we're all doing holiday drinks. I'm not sure if we mentioned that, but I saw this peppermint rum chata and thought it was so cute. It's their peppermint bark one, and there was only a few left. They say they fly off the shelves during holiday season. They had a bunch of the pumpkin spice ones, I guess from Thanksgiving and stuff, but this one was only 3 left. So I got this one. They also had a little tiny one, so it must be good. And then I got a vanilla vodka. I'm not a vodka girl, but I got the vanilla vodka because that's what my recipe calls for. It's a holiday drink. But can you guess from the 2? I'm making a peppermint bark martini now. At first, I wanted to make a pink espresso martini, but something was like not feeling that. And then also I didn't want to have a bunch of like ingredients to put it together. I just wanted something that was simple, and this took these 2 and these 2 only. So I got this. It also said I can do like an espresso liqueur if I wanted to, so I may run back and get that. But I'm actually gonna try these 2 first tomorrow, not today. I'm gonna try these 2 together and see how it goes, and if it feels like it's missing something, then I'll, you know, I may try it tonight just in prep for the girls. I don't know. And record it for TikTok early, but I may just record it for TikTok tomorrow. Either way, let me put all my stuff up for that. Oh yeah, from Walmart. From Walmart, I got these other glasses because I showed you guys these ones that I got from the dollar store, which are cool and cute, but they just don't give martini. So I went to Walmart and they had these coupe glasses, which these aren't going to go to waste, so I'm definitely going to use these some type of way. I also have Prosecco in here, so I'll be able to use these for the Prosecco for the girlies, and then these for my actual cocktail. And I got 2 because it comes with 6. And we got about 6 or 7 girls come in. We may have more trickle in. I also got this pink ribbon to put around the little tree thing I bought from Amazon a couple weeks ago to see how it goes. Actually, once I put up all this stuff, let's put together that little tree thing. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much everything I got. So here she is. I never pulled it out of the pack, but it's pretty much like a Christmas tree, or not tree, but it's like a drink tree. And I would pick something that I gotta build. That's everything. Toss that to the side, but let me show y'all kind of what it's supposed to be. Like, isn't that so cute? She did like an espresso martini tree, and she added like little pieces of like ornaments, pine cones, and ribbon. My theme is pink, so I got ribbon, and I actually have decor with pine cones here and other little things, so if need be, I'll just jack it from one of those. But look, it came with its own screws and everything. Look at her, she's finished. Yay. And it was super simple to put together. She's super cute. Let's see what one of the glasses, well, faux glasses look like in there. All clean, but it'll kind of look like that with their little bottoms on them. Very cute. And then my pink ribbon on it as well. Y'all, here she is in all her glory with her 2 bows on her. I think this is gonna be stinking cute with my little peppermint bark drinks, because the drink itself is gonna be white in there, and I'm gonna rim it with peppermint, I think, with candy canes, crushed up candy canes, or I'm gonna get little tiny ones and put them on the edge and just let them sit in the drink. That way it can kind of leak in there and kind of turn pink. You feel me? I think that'll be cute. I don't know. So for the party prep, your girl got some Virey the other day. If you don't know what this is Issa Rae's Prosecco, and it is the bomb. If you see me on TikTok, you see me review this. Target sells it. If you like it, I say try. If you like Prosecco, or if you like sparkly type drinks or wine, I think you would like this. This is not like typical Prosecco in my opinion. I don't usually go for typical Prosecco. I don't usually like it, but this one I like, and I'm normally like a sweet wine type of girl. So be on the lookout for that. I had to get a bottle of this because most of the girls I think tried it, but I'm not sure if all of them have. And I thought it would be cute if I threw a little pink bow on it and brought it to the party, because for some reason right now it is a staple, which why would it not be whenever it's black owned? But yeah, had to add it in because I love Issa Rae, and the girlies are loving this wine right now. So I also have these napkins I got from TJ Maxx at the beginning of my vlogs, and then these plates I'm gonna sit out as well. I'm really excited, but now we're gonna get back to like the packing and cleaning up the living room, because I have a lot of stuff that's out there that's in the way for the function for tomorrow. So I have to do all of that, and then we'll come back to the party. They calling everything for them. The ref clearly don't know what out of bounds is. Y'all got to make y'all free throws. It's crazy late and the camera's about to die, but we've gotten super duper far with our stuff and like party prep. I have some things already laid out ready for me to come back and just automatically go crazy. I have some packing stuff still out, but I'm gonna move them tomorrow. I have some of the trays and stuff out. I need to recycle that pizza box. I have water out, being extra with the bow around it to make it match. I have the prizes out for the games. Your girl is ready. I think there's only one store I need to go to, and then tomorrow I need to get dressed, do my hair, makeup, all of that. But I didn't drop a vlog yesterday, but that's because I'm gonna give you all of the behind the scenes tonight, and then I'm gonna give you everything tomorrow. So part 1 and 2 mushed together inside, I think it's vlog 14. So 14 and 15 mushed together like I did, I think 11 and 12. I can't remember which one. But love y'all. See y'all tomorrow, and happy charcuterie board night.